Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around of the BMW K1600GTL LE model. So we'll start down here at the forks. All looking good. Plenty of life left in the tyres. You can see it's also got the adventure lights as well. I'll just show you the other side. So same again. Looking good. You do have your radio antenna there, just can be pushed back in. Coming around to the side, so we'll show you the bodywork first. Oh. A couple of small scratches just here, but a few there. I think it's just scuffed along something, but other than that, condition is really good. You've got your auxiliary port there, along with a little connection in here for your phone, should you want to use USB in there. I'll just show you around the other side. So again, condition looking really good for the bike. Got again another little option in here for stuff. Got your radio modes, heated seats, and then your back box as well. And I'll just show you the bike being started up. Just a wee video of the bike being started up from cold. So just quickly show you around a couple of features. As you can see, you've got your heated seats there. You've got your central locking and your modes, obviously your kill switch. On this side you've got your dial here, which will help you get around all your controls. Put your volume for your
3
radio.
points behind Nottingham Forest, who knows Chelsea this season.
You've got your adjustable visor as well, as you can see. You've got your horn here. I'll just show you the indicators and everything working, so this should be the back to it. Front. Turn that one off. Just show you your full beam as well. And you've also got these adventure lights, which is this button here. Just show you the brake lights working as well. So this is your front brake and your rear. Just give it a couple of revs for you. Any questions you've got, please let us know. Thank you.